With generative AI exploding in the past year, what a great time to be alive as a creative. But of course, for those that are a bit hesitant with the whole AI wave, wondering whether it will replace our skills entirely, you don't need to fear, because some of the tools I'm going to be mentioning in this video are all here to help you rather than replace you. I'm not sponsored by any of these tools, I just simply want to add more value to more people, and if you'd like to add value to this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to learn the building blocks for this age of AI. So the first on this list is Adobe Firefly. Adobe has now entered the AI image generator sector with Firefly. This AI tool serves as an excellent resource for enhancement of pre-existing designs or just getting started from scratch. It's soon going to be releasing a video generation feature, and this is going to be a game changer in the realm of AI-driven creative tools. Some of the key features is that you have a familiar interface, so if you used Adobe products before, it's really easy to use. They have a lot of different style guides and templates. It's great for creating logos and text-based images as well, and it's an awesome tool for designers overall who want to do recoloring or modify existing images. Then there is AutoDraw. Developed by Google, AutoDraw is an AI tool that helps designers and creators make their rough illustrations into actual refined sketches. So you can use the power of machine learning and just literally use your straightforward interface to just sketch or doodle something on the board. And it's kind of no different from MS Paint. And then from there, whatever you draw, the AI machine learning algorithm attempts to predict what it sees and offers suggestions of simple vector-based sketches. So it's free to use, it's easy for anyone to use, and it provides numerous suggestions, and you can access it from almost any device. And then there's Uizard. This is an AI tool for designers that helps speed in and enhance the overall workflow in design. You can easily draw in concepts which can then be converted into actual mockup designs, and this is a great tool especially for wireframing and low prototyping stages. Their text prompt feature also allows you to create quick mockups in a matter of seconds and allows you to convert your ideas into actual digital interfaces. With Uizard, you can get great design features. Their auto designer text prompt feature gives people with little design skills to mock up prototypes quickly, and you also have access to several pre-made templates. And then there's Designs.ai. For those who have limited design experience but would like to start mocking things up quickly, Designs.ai is a great tool for you. Not only does it offer different tools and features for video, logo creation, and even voice, it's actually one of the quickest ways to start building out design assets rapidly. You have a large selection of features for different design needs. It's great for creative process from ideation and brainstorming, and there's a lot of resources to help guide you to get started easily. It's really useful for influencers and content creators and small businesses that are trying to get more design assets. And then there's Mokker. Trusted by over 100,000 different professionals, this is a tool that is fantastic for any e-commerce business or small business owner particularly. Mokker helps remove background images and replaces them with AI-generated images to make those product images pop. While this tool is catered specifically for product photos, you can actually use it for any digital asset, from website content to social media images. It's super easy to use, can create realistic AI backgrounds, it helps any designer get their work done faster, and it offers several free photos to choose from for their new users. Then there's Galileo AI. It's a relatively new tool, but this is really useful for helping UI designers bring their prompts into actual prototype designs. So their AI has been trained on thousands of UI designs, so whether you're a newbie or you're more advanced in the design sector, you can get started with mocking something up super quick. From dashboards, landing page, to e-commerce, Galileo is definitely something that's for anybody really, that wants to generate UI designs with text alone. The speed at which it generates UI is actually quite amazing. And there's a number of suggestions that you can choose from, and the UI designs that are generated are actually quite good. And then there's Let's Enhance. For any designer or individual wanting to improve their image quality quickly, Let's Enhance is an AI tool that does exactly that. From resolution, color, lighting, or overall quality, the AI model of Let's Enhance uses that to improve everything that I just mentioned with just one click. This makes it an ideal solution for creatives, e-commerce shops, photographers, designers. The tool is great for enhancing images rapidly, it's quite affordable, and it's great for beginners or solopreneurs, and it has various image formats that are supported, and it has a really easy to use interface with the quality of the image also being quite preserved. And then there's Alpaca. Rather than a separate tool itself, Alpaca is actually a plugin that goes hand in hand with Adobe Photoshop. So it's made for artists in particular, and it markets itself as like an AI toolkit that helps explore further. From making basic sketches into actual real 3D models to generating images from scratch, Alpaca offers a wide range of features that help any creative, whether you're a designer, illustrator, or more. You can do text-prompted images that are generated of quite high quality, and it offers a bunch of templates, as well as the ability for you to customize those templates. And you can do more to an image after its output by extending or filling, and you can transfer the style of an image to another image as well. And then there's also Khroma. Known as the AI color tool for designers, Khroma allows you to find, search, and save different color combos to use for your designs. Its machine learning is mainly used to help keep track of the colors that you like and thus provides suggestions later down the road for your workflow. You can kind of think of it as like a Pinterest-style platform, but instead of pinning images, you pin colors. So it's a great time saver for designers when referencing color. There are an unlimited library of colors with different combinations to get ideas from, and the tool serves its purpose in giving inspiration. You can also streamline a lot of guesswork, which a lot of designers have while they're building out specific product designs and whatnot. And then finally on this list is something that we've covered extensively in this channel, which is Midjourney. Rated by some of the best AI image generators that stands tall among the rest, Midjourney is a highly recommended image generator that isn't just for artists, but for any creative alike. With a single prompt, you can generate images of various styles, from paintings that resemble specific artist styles to more photorealistic images. And right now, there are over 16 million users registered on Midjourney, which shows you its massive community. So as I mentioned, create amazing photorealistic images. The output is super fast. They have a huge community that can help you get started if you just join in, and you can build anything from vector images, logos, icons, and more. So while all of these tools are great, there's definitely going to be concerns and arguments to be made about whether all of these AI tools will make the roles of creatives or designers obsolete. One way to position your mind as a designer or creative is to see how you can adapt instead of resist. Inevitably, the AI wave is here and is only going to grow larger into a massive tsunami that will take the world by storm. It's just the reality of it. So it's important to learn to evolve with the times, and the best way to do so is just to find ways to work together with AI instead of refusing to believe that it's not going to help you. All of these AI tools ultimately are used to speed up workflow and make things a lot easier for a lot of designers and creatives. I do design work myself, so trust me, at the beginning I was a bit apprehensive, but after diving into it, I realized we can just augment our workflow through these tools. Plus, keep in mind, we're still at the early stages of AI, so any idea of replacement won't be here until much later, hopefully. So there you have it, a bunch of AI tools for designers and creators. If you would like to know more about AI image generator tools, check out the next video. And if this content was super useful to you, leave a comment down below if you wanted more tools like this, and make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. It helps the channel get seen more. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to navigate this digital ocean of AI together.